Guys, this is your boy 2 to the BLESS, Tubeless, that's what they call me. And I'm so sorry right now that my camera is really dark right now. It's night and I don't want to carry this video over right now. So this is the site that I'm talking about, that is called Payoneer.com. I'm going to drop a link that will take you to go and sign up for this site right now. You see, make $25 when you refer friends. So as I'm referring you right now, I'm making $25 from you, and when you also sign up, you make your own $25 and you refer your friend, and you keep making money like that. So that's what this site is all about. So this video is as short as that, and you have up to like 15 friends or 20 friends that you can refer to this right now, and that is how you can make $25 when you refer up to 15 friends. I think that can give you close to about $300. So you can really make $250 today, starting from today right now. So thank you for this video. Go share this video with your friend, like it, comment below it, and go sign up on this website right now so you can keep earning money right from today. And so this is a bonus that I want to give you right now. This is an Udemy course. If you don't know Udemy, you can go and check them out. This is a 1,000 plus make money online course that is worth $72,000, and these are the topics that you get for this is just for $10. I just bought into this and I'm enjoying the course right now. The course that you take here are courses that are worth up to $100 plus per course, and you're getting 1,000 of them for just $10 right now. $10. Look at the topic you have in the course. Look at up to 50 different topics that you have in the course. You want to become a guru on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, traffic. You have a whole lot of Facebook, blogging, WordPress, YouTube. You want to become a pro in any mobile app. You want to become a pro in any of this niche. This is the course you need to get. Look at my here right now. Look at it. It said my course is here right now. I have my courses there right now. Let me scroll down to show you how many courses I have. Okay, I'm gonna refresh this right now. Let me take you to all my courses. I'm taking you to all my courses right now, and then you see down below, you're gonna see that I have 1,000. You see here, you see right now I have 1,153 courses, 1,000 plus courses, and just for $10, I buy all this for $10. And if you're really interested in making money online real good, you can type it here. See, make money online. You're going to see some course on make money online. These are going to really teach you in depth of different ways that you can start making money online from today. You see it's loading right now. It's going to bring some courses on make money online. See, okay, see, you bring about 158 courses on make money online. Look at this right now. These are courses that people really take their time to teach, and you can see all these courses right now. You get all these courses plus thousands more on how to make money online and how you can become a pro. So I'm going to drop a link also to where you can get this $10 course right now in the description box below. So check the description box below, sign up for Payoneer. I'm going to drop the link below, and I'm going to drop the link for this Udemy program also, so you can go get them right now. So thank you, and please guys, don't forget, share this video with your friends, with your loved one, and please like this video and comment below this video right now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get other updates you can get notified when I upload any other video on making money online right now. So thank you so much guys for checking out my video. I really appreciate it, and I'm not taking this for granted at all, and God bless you. Thank you, and I'll see you later.